Hi, my name is Natalie Nixon. I'm a senior horticulturalist working for Alaster Anderson Specialist Gardeners, and we deal with high-end private properties in the London area. The Pellenc equipment we have on site is 2 strimmers, 2 hedge cutters, a long-handled hedge cutter, a chainsaw, and also 2 leaf blowers. We heard about Pellenc just when we were researching the market. I used to use it in a previous job, although an older version, and when we were looking into getting electric equipment for the garden, that was one of the models we wanted to test. The best feature that I would say on the Pellenc tools is the range of power from kind of 1 to 4, which means that we can use them for quite specific jobs. So for example, with the leaf blower, we're able to blow leaves off gravel on the lowest setting, but on the highest we can blow quite wet leaves. And also one of the other things I find very good about Pellenc is the lightness of it. So with hedge cutters particularly, this is something we'd use all day, and petrol ones just get too heavy towards the end of the day to, I think, give the best result in a cut. For this garden, the main use of the Pellenc equipment, so for everyday use we use the leaf blowers for leaf clearing and clearing off the drives and things like that. We also have a meadow, so the strimmers and brush cutter, they come in really handy because we can tackle quite stubborn areas of grass, but also the kind of finer areas around hedges where we have to be really careful not to catch any of the hedging. And we also use hedge cutters for the main hedge cutting time of year. It's good to have a range of different sizes of blade and the long reach hedge cutter as well. The green aspects about Pellenc equipment is mainly from our client's point of view. He's very eco-friendly, so he doesn't like to use the petrol equipment. So it means that we can save a bit of money, so we're not having to buy petrol, and also the reduction in noise pollution is a really big bonus as well, because the majority of our clients and their neighbours don't want to hear really loud kind of petrol tools. So in terms of how easy I find it to use Pellenc tools that we have, I found that in other jobs or using other petrol machines, it's quite difficult, because if you're using something all day, like you're strimming all day or hedge cutting, you can get really tired and quite achy, and I find I don't get any of that with the Pellenc. You get used to using things, and I find it much better, and also the finish that you do, so whether it's hedging, whether it's strimming, anything like that, because you're not feeling any fatigue, the cleanness of cut and your finished product is much better. I would definitely recommend Pellenc to other people just based on its ease to use, flexibility, and it being lightweight, and also manoeuvrability.